So this is a Xiaomi vacuum cleaner G1. It's an essential mop and cleaner, and I have been using it for like 2 years now, and as a result its brush become exhausted and I need to change the brush. So I will show you the status of the brush, how to change the brush, how to put the new brush in the video. But before that,
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
let's get started. So first of all, as you know, first you need to power off. Press on the power off button and the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner is powered off. Then open the mop, open the water tank and the dust compartment. Okay, and then put it somewhere. Now why you did it? Because we need to turn over the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner mop to get below this thing. If there is a water tank, the water will leak and it will damage your device. So let's extend it. So my mop is okay, it doesn't have any issue. The only problem, you can see the brush. See, so those brushes are too old and are damaged. So this is attached with a screw, only one single screw. You just need to unplug the screw and that's it, it's done, it's good. Then you just need to change this brush. I already bought this brush. I bought it from AliExpress, the cheapest and best. So they gave me all of those things. So I will just change those brush. When I'm at it, I will probably also change the mop. As you can see, seems a good thing to do, change the mop. I have this filter also. Probably I don't need the filter right now. Let me check. And oh, so this is the main brush. Let me check. I don't think I need to change the brush really, because that one seems okay. It's like it has lots of dust on it, but you know, it seems okay so far. But still I will open it, keep it for washing, and probably good, like, let's, you know, as I am on it, I will just change this one for good. Okay, seems okay, it fits well, so probably it will work well, hopefully. Yep, seems better. So that way your main brush, that's how you change the main brush. Okay, so the main brush is done. I plugged it and done. Good. Now what I will do, I will remove the mop. It is the genuine one, it's been there for a while. I think I need to clean this thing. So I'm putting the mop. So that's how you do, like, so there's just only one entry, not this plus, so you just need to put the thing here and slide it. Okay, so see so it's just there here and it fits. Okay, now what you need to do, you just need to adjust them with this velcro and done. It's a new clean, neat and clean, beautiful thing. Okay, so your two thing is done. Now I will change those brush, front wheel brush. Let me do it. I will need a screwdriver. So this is my favorite toolbox I have with me. There's everything on it. I think what I need a star, but really don't need a star. It's okay. You just take this one, put it in, press it hard. See, like, put one finger here, press it and rotate it. That's it, done. So it's come out. Okay, so here lots of here, just throw it away, put the thing in. It will go automatically if it's because you need to make sure that it fits. Okay, if it doesn't fit, that means it's not the correct one. Okay, so that means this is not the depth, so this one will go there. Okay, we'll check for sure. Okay, so like that, put your thumb here and then rotate just like that. It came out. Okay, so yes, as you can see, so that one matches with this bar, so we put it here and it went in. Take the screwdriver, take the screw, put it in, use the screwdriver, rotate it. Okay, done. Okay, so like new. Okay, so that is done. Okay, so this is like square, so square one go to square. This one's kind of like a star, so it went there. Okay, all right, so I think that's how they basically map which one is the right and which one is the left. Okay, so and then I put it in here, put the screw in, and here you go, as easy as it can be. Okay, so this is done. Now you know how to change the main brush, front brush, and the mop pad. Okay, so that's it for today. I guess you guys will have, if you have any kind of trouble, please let me know. Comment on the comment box. I will try to uh, give some suggestion how to do that, changing or whatever. Okay, take care.